In this video, I talk about my top 1 Crucial Pro RAM 32GB kit, the best Crucial Pro RAM 32GB kit in my opinion. If you want to check the price of the product, link to the description. Crucial Pro RAM 32GB kit, 2x16GB, review, high performance for your desktop. When I upgraded to the Crucial Pro RAM 32GB kit, 2x16GB, the improvement was instant. This DDR4 3200MHz memory is a plug-and-play solution, easily compatible with 8th 13th Gen Intel Core and AMD Ryzen 1000 5000 CPUs. It's also capable of downclocking to 3000 MHz or 2x16 MHz if your system supports lower speeds, ensuring flexible use. One standout feature is its Intel XMP 2.0 support, which restores the memory's full speed if the CPU limits it, particularly useful when using multiple DIMMs. I enabled XMP in the UEFI's BIOS settings to get the full 3200 MHz speed, and the difference was noticeable, especially in gaming and multitasking. Games ran smoother, and switching between heavy applications was seamless. With 32GB of DDR4 RAM, you get ample space for multitasking, gaming, and productivity. The 288-pin UDM form factor fits most desktops, and the 1.2 volts power efficiency keeps the energy consumption low. Its CAS latency of 22 ensures fast data transfer, and while it's not the lowest, it strikes a good balance for most users. The black design looks sleek in any setup, and the lifetime warranty, or 10 years in Germany, adds long-term peace of mind. While it lacks RGB lighting, the performance and reliability more than make up for it. Pros: easy plug-and-play setup, universal compatibility with Intel and AMD CPUs, XMP 2.0 support for full-speed recovery, excellent for gaming and multitasking. Cons: requires BIOS adjustments to enable XMP. CAS latency could be better for high-end gaming. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance memory kit to boost your system, the Crucial Pro RAM 32GB kit is a solid choice. It offers everything you need for smoother performance, whether you're gaming, multitasking, or just wanting a faster desktop experience.